Hello, ambitious minds. My name is Tekchand. I'm a UPSC aspirant and I have written mains this year. Let me now discuss few questions from 2025 papers. Okay, which UPSC has asked this year. So I just will be sharing the questions. Okay, so what they have asked, and one more thing is this, that I will be sharing the very easy questions this year, so you can see that even though these questions seems very easy, but it's tricky to write these answers. Okay, and hence they require more and more practice. So the first is GS1 paper. Okay, so the question is, how are climate change and the sea level rising affecting the very existence of many island nations? Discussed with examples. Okay, and the next question is, how does smart city in India address the issue of urban poverty and distributive justice? Okay, and the next question is trace India's consolidation process during early phase of independence in terms of polity, economy, education and international relations. So these three questions are from GS1, even though seems very easy, but they require actually the practice of answer writing to write good answers, because they are the questions which most of people must be writing. Okay, but to get those edge marks, you will require answer writing practice here. Okay, and the next is GS2 papers. So here the first question which I will be sharing is question number 9, that is, India Africa digital partnership is achieving mutual respect, co-development and long-term institutional partnership. Elaborate. Seems very easy but very specific, because this question is asked in the sphere of digital partnership. Okay, so hence very specific question. And the next question is, constitutional morality is the fulcrum which acts as an essential check upon the high functionaries and citizen alike. In view of the above observation of the Supreme Court, explain the concept of the constitutional morality and its application to ensure balance between judicial independence and judicial accountability in India. So see, constitutional morality you must have read, but this question is highly based on application. Okay, so not so easy question to write. Next question is question number 15, which is what are environmental pressure groups? Discuss their role in raising awareness, influencing policies and advocating for environmental protection in India. Again, seems easy but very specific question, because this is asking about environmental pressure groups. Okay, and the next question is question number 16. Inequality in the ownership pattern of resources is one of the major causes of poverty. Discuss in the context of paradox of poverty. Again, very generic question, but it will require that the art of answer writing these questions. So next paper is GS3. Okay, so in GS3 the first question is question number 3, which seems very easy, explain the factor influencing the decision of the farmers on the selection of high value crops in India. Seems very easy question, very generic answer question, but again the answer writing will depend on individual person practice. Next thing is question number 6, that is how can India achieve energy independence through clean technology by 2047? How can biotechnology can play a crucial role in this endeavor? So see, again they have added this biotechnology, made it specific, and even the first part will require to some extent the answer writing practice. And next question is question number 12, and that is discuss the rationale of production linked incentive PLI scheme. What are its achievement? In what way can the functioning and outcome of the scheme be improved? Okay, again it's a very specific question and highly dynamic questions, because it's a question of 15 marks. Okay, it's not easy to write these questions. They are actually application based questions. You have to think there itself in the exam. And the next question is question number 20. Okay, so why is maritime security vital to protect India's sea trade? Discuss maritime and coastal security challenges and way forward. Seems again very direct question, but because everyone is going to write these questions, and everyone must be knowing few things about this. But writing specific answers in these questions becomes important, And for example, here, like in this question, you can write few key choke points, okay, those important straits in Indian maybe ocean, and you can make the map, so which will make your answer a bit more specific. Okay, so these were the few questions, not the all question, but which seems actually very easy, very generic, but actually, writing these answers is not so easy. Okay, so as this seems.